So it rained yesterday. Let's see if it worked. Look at that.
Beautiful.
No water.
Beautiful.
It works.
Yeah.
It works. Okay.
There's only one small problem.
Okay, this is not sunken. It's good.
This will be fine. The moles are
Oh.
already back.
Oh yeah.
Now we just have to deal with that.
Yes. There's a new problem we need to deal with.
It never fucking ends.
Oh.
Let's get the chainsaw. If it's not apparent, this is a big fucking tree. And I just realized I'm climbing the tree that I'm cutting down. So we need to be a little bit smarter about this than usual. And this chainsaw is heavy, really fucking heavy.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything.
What did the chainsaw do?
It's part of the tree now.
Oh.
Yeah. It just snapped back at one point and... Oh, fucking hell.
Uh-oh. Wow. That's too small.
What?
This chainsaw is too small for this big tree.
We'll do it. We'll manage with the chainsaw that cuts out every few fucking minutes. Give it back.
No? Oh! Ah!
Give it back, pretty please. Oh!
Woo! It was a piece of the axe.
You're never gonna find it. Maybe in my shoe. Oh.
Back to work.
How did it snap back? Yeah, back to work. Do you think this will make it go faster? Oh,
No, I don't know. Maybe smoother.
see?
Yeah.
Oh, this is much darker than the other stuff.
Like maple syrup.
Yeah. I have just enough petrol to use this all up.
Wow.
That's a bit much. There we go. Let's get back to work.
Oh!
You just let it splash off. I'm losing my patience with filling up. Let it splash off and then I will turn it on so it doesn't catch on fire.
Almost done?
Almost. I have a question for any wood experts in the audience. We have an X-ray of the tree here.
Mm-hmm.
Can somebody tell me why it failed? This is the closest part to the ground, I think.
Mm-hmm.
It does not look that bad. It has something like a filler here.
Oh,
This is soft.
interesting.
I have no idea.
Wow. Something. Wow, it's gummy.
Yeah, but when you look up on the tree, everything seems to be fine.
Yeah. Let's
But-
see the work here.
I have no idea why these fail.
But here it seems soft a bit. Here is also this filler.
Yeah, this is a bit softer.
So this
Here is
is a walnut tree.
This is quite hard, and this is softer.
Yeah.
So why is this softer? It did not show any signs of rot from the outside.
Yeah, and the new branches are growing from here.
Yeah, and I hope they will survive my nicking here. And all of them are the same age, so I have no idea.
Yeah, other trees look fine.
Yeah. I have no idea why did it fail. So if anybody has any insight,
Yeah, I've never seen this before. It's interesting.
with that filler here too
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, it's very.
Smushy.
Yeah, it's jelly-like.
And what to do with this now? Should we leave it?
Yeah.
I'm hoping it would start growing again, but yet again it's split.
Yeah.
So what to do now? I mean, I will leave it like this for now,
Yeah, we'll see.
and we'll see what happens. But I think the main problem now is that the rain can get in, and then it will start to rot.
It's all rot.
But I really miss my tree already.
Yeah.
It was a nice tree.
Yes, and I think ants will probably colonize it very soon. We also fixed the car. Somebody, Mr. Blue Gloves, scratched this part yesterday on a hidden rock. The rock was hidden in the ground, but we somehow managed to hit it. And there was a long scratch. Now we put some epoxy on it, 2-component epoxy, and I don't know if I want to touch it. I won't touch it, but it should be hard enough already. So yeah, this epoxy is here to fix it, and then when it's completely dry, we will spray it in red, so it will be like nothing happened at all. Yeah, that happened also. Look at that. This tree is also dying rapidly. In just 1 week it covered the backyard with pine needles.
We'll take care of it.
It's like we have a carpet now. Thank you for watching us dealing with this mess here. I mean, it was fun, right?
It will be fine.
Yeah. See you next time. Bye.